Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by readying the timeline and clips. Open Final Cut Pro and select the project with correct frame rate and resolution. Once done, group shots that need consistent color. Use compound clips or lanes so color grades track across edits. Then, enable scopes, waveform for exposure, vector scope for hue and saturation, and histogram for distribution. This gives objective feedback. Make sure to scrub clips while watching scopes so you immediately see how adjustments move values and avoid guesswork. You perform primary correction next. Select a clip and open the color inspector. First, fix exposure with color wheels or exposure controls, lift shadows, control mids, and protect highlights because tonal balance underpins every subsequent move. Once tonal levels look good, correct white balance by sampling a neutral area and nudging temp and tint until skin tones sit properly on the vector scope. Then, refine contrast and color using curves. Use hue versus saturation curves to tame a single color without touching others. You finish with secondary grades and a final pass. Isolate skies, faces, or garments using shape masks or hue/saturation keys, and track the mask if the subject moves. This targets fixes without affecting the whole frame. Then, if you add a LUT, reduce its strength with the mix slider so it enhances rather than overwhelms. Check skin tones on the vector scope. Finally, export using color manage settings and test on a calibrated reference monitor. If colors shift, recheck your timeline color space and reconform clips. That single fix usually resolves mismatch errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.